Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this buying sneakers platform, which is Stockx and Goat. So let's dive into it. So Stockx and Goat are two of the biggest sneakers marketplace, but they work differently. Stockx is like a sneakers stock market. Price fluctuates based on supply and demand, and all transactions go through their authentication process before shipping to you. It's great if you want a transparency in pricing and are willing to wait a bit for the buying process. While Goat, on the other hand, offer both new and used sneakers with options for instant shipping if the item is already in the warehouse. And it also has a cleaner browsing experience and more flexible return policy. So if you want the lowest market driving price, Stockx is your go-to, but if you value faster delivery, more buying option and returns, Goat takes the edge. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the vision button and subscribe for more. Thanks.